Alright, so we're gonna go throw some eggs at some houses. You're gonna be the thrower.
All I do is go in the yard and then throw them at the house.
No, you can't go in their yard because then we'll get a trespassing charge. You gotta throw it from the street.
What if I throw it and miss?
Well, I've got a way to figure that out. We'll use the quadratic equation to see if your throw will make it from the street to the house.
Okay, so we go out in the. Should we go out in the street and make a test throw?
Yeah.
Let's go. Sandals.
Alright, getting ready to position to see if your throw will make it to the house.
That went pretty. All right, let's go do the math.